Hey, this is Mike, and as you know, the market's been pretty rough the past week. So I've been going ahead and looking at stocks that have been bucking the trend. It might be a great play if the market continues to move downward and you don't want to short the market, you don't want to put money in cash, you want to put something that could make some money. And one stock that I found that I think would be really great is CSX Corporation, stock symbol CSX. So before I get started, if you want to leave a like on the video, it'll help you discover more of these videos I do every day. So CSX is basically one of the largest railroad holding companies in the United States. They're involved in heavy transport. And the great thing about railroads is that, in a way, they kind of have a monopoly on moving certain things that are essentially too heavy to move by truck and too heavy to move by air. And if you got to move it inland, the only the only option you really have is rail. So because of that, there are only a few big railroad companies in the United States. You have CSX is publicly held. You have Burlington Santa Fe, which Buffett owns through Berkshire. But if you want a pure rail play, CSX is the best way to go. So as you see on Friday, when the market was down, CSX was up 1.35%. It pays a dividend yield of 1.32%, and the PE ratio is relatively low in this market environment of 21.94. If you look at the past 6 months, CSX has done really well. Um, right now, the stock is a little over 5% from its 52-week high, and I believe that if the market continues to move sideways, if there's a lot of uncertainty, if a lot of the leading stocks from the past 6 months are not giving out the returns that people want, or if they continue to move down, that you're going to have money rotate somewhere. Some of it can rotate to gold, and I think some of it will rotate to these defensive stocks like CSX. So if CSX breaks through its 52-week high, it has the potential to really go much higher than that. And like I said, with railroad companies, they essentially have a monopoly when it comes to moving lots of raw materials from ports inland, lots of big inventory, vehicles, large machinery. So definitely look at CSX as one of these companies if you're scared to get into your Teslas or if you're scared to get into Amazon right now, if those stocks are really rolling over. This is a stock that I don't think is going to roll over anytime soon unless there's a big rebound in the market. Then at that point, it'll roll over just because people will want to put their money into something that will offer better returns. So those are my thoughts on CSX. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like, share, and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do daily multiple updates on stocks, options, and the stock market. Thanks. Bye.